today we are going to get some flowers. These flowers I picked up at Kroger for like 50 cents each. So if you're wanting to dry some flowers to hang for spring, I highly recommend going right after or a couple days after Valentine's Day, because I know that these aren't baby's breath. They smell so good. I can't remember what they're called, but they favor baby's breath a lot. They look a lot like baby's breath, but I don't know what they're called. Anyways, they looked a lot like it, and they were 50 cents each bouquet. And then I got an assorted bouquet for like $2. And so I grabbed those real quick because I have been wanting to try flowers just to add a little bit of spring to the home. And so this is a very affordable idea to like decorate. And it's very crafty, and it's just, I don't know, very sweet. So I have a few of these. They're already kind of dwindling down. And then I have some cooking twine, so I can use this for tying a bouquet and anything more. So it's a cotton one, and I'm not really sure where I'm gonna hang them from yet. I don't know. I've thought about like the curtain rod, kind of where I have my heart garland right now, but we shall see. I'm not really sure. All I know is we're going to make these bouquets, and then we will see where we put them. guys, today we are going to decorate the shelves for spring. I have been putting off decorating the shelves just because I lost a little bit of creativity and motivation, and so after Christmas was over, I really just lacked creativity and ideas, and so I would look on Pinterest for a while, and I just could not find anything that I liked. And even going to the stores, like nothing really spoke to me when I was shopping for staple items and everything. And I think two things that I've used to decorate for the spring shelves are new. The others, actually, no, I take that back, three things. The others are just recycling them and kind of moving them around and putting them in different places. And so I also have been more practical with my shelves, especially the side where there is our oven, because especially living in an apartment, you just have to be practical. So I've been kind of mixing the practical with my style a little bit, and obviously it's never going to be perfect, but this is what I came up with so far, and I really like how it turned out. So I'm going to show you guys that. And yeah, spring is upon us. Next week we get our ducks, and I will start planting flowers very soon. February is almost over. Before we know it, Easter, we're going to be preparing for that and stuff, and so very excited. I wanted to show you guys little haul of some things that I bought at Walmart the other day. They had their home section on clearance, and so I thought I'd show you, give you a little haul. I have these frames. Now there's two of them, and one of them looks like almost maybe an orange or apple tree, kind of like an outline of that. And then this one is more of a flower, and so they're gonna go together on a wall. I really liked these. They're simple, yet really pretty. And so I have not had any type of decorating really in our bathroom, and so these are gonna go up kind of by our mirror on a wall. So I'm excited to see how that turns out. But I walked into their home section a couple weeks ago, and I noticed oh, this stuff is new. This kind of looks like it's supposed to be at Target, but it's Walmart. And I was like, this is neat, and kind of just went on with my day. And then yesterday I went there, and I got these for $6.50 for both of them, the set of two. And so I was like, I am so glad that I waited to come back a couple weeks later, because I just got a great deal on this wall art stuff. And so they had a lot of their things on clearance, and so I was really keeping an eye out, especially because I've been planning on decorating for spring my shelves and everything. And so this won't be going on my shelves, but it's still like a touch of spring, I think. And I honestly think that you could keep them up year round because of how simple they are. It's just wall art, but yeah, that's going to go in my bathroom. So that's that. What that was on clearance was this huge candle. It's just gold, like this gold metal look, and it kind of has this textured look. I don't know if you can see it. This was 16 bucks, and I have seen candles way smaller than this, that especially at Target, because I just went to Target this week, for $17, and it was like half this size. So I'm also glad that I did not buy that at Target, because Walmart had this. I mean, it is literally the size of my hand. That is so big. And so it is a 5-wick candle that I got for 16 bucks. And so this is also going to be a new touch of spring in our living room on our little table. So there's another great find. So hopefully, if you're local and you haven't been to our Walmarts yet, I highly recommend going, because they had faux florals on sale with that came with vases and stuff. It all looks very like magnolia. It looked like it was from Target. It was so neat, and they had it all on clearance, so they're trying to get rid of it. So I highly recommend, if you are local, go to your local Walmart and get you some new candles, some home decor, florals, wall art for super duper cheap. That was the little haul. I got some great deals this week, and so I'm very, very excited about that. But we're gonna go on over to the kitchen and decorate the little shelves.